friends, welcome to SR Physics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about electric dipole. It is a system of two charges which are equal in magnitude but opposite directions. So here two equal charges. In this case, what are the two equal charges we have taken? Plus Q and minus Q. Separated by a small distance is 2a. Okay. Either you can take or any other letters. Here we will not talk about a single charge. The electric dipole means what? Two. Okay. So we are not discussing about any single charge. We will talk about a pair of charge, that is two charges. So here we can take one is plus Q charge and next one is minus Q charge. In this case, one is positive, one is negative, separated by a distance 2a. Here we have to maintain some distance here. Especially this distance has to be very small. Okay, it is not going to too long. In this case, for example, if I am taking plus Q charge is one charge is here, one charge is little bit far. Okay, so this is, we can say, plus charge, this is minus charge, but here the distance is little bit far. I told you we have to maintain the dipole means we have to maintain the distance. It's very close to each other. So suppose here the two charges are separated. What will happen? The distance is very large means the two charges will not have any effect to what on each other. In this case, these two charges will not have any kind of interaction also. Okay. So now we will come back again. What is our electric dipole? So now we understand that an electric dipole is an arrangement of equal and opposite charges. Since the two charges are separated by a distance 2e, which is called dipole length. Clear now? That this distance. Here, for example, what is that? The distance between the charge. How we will take the distance between the charge? We have to take from center of the charge. Okay. So here the center of the plus Q charge to where? Center of the minus Q charge. So this distance we can say that dipole moment. So in this one, for example, here this line we can say that center of dipole. Okay, this center of dipole I mentioned here O letter. Okay, now you see, obviously you have a doubt what is A and this A. Okay, so that distance between center of dipole, that means I mentioned O, to center of plus Q charge distance we can say A. Clear? Now same right side. Here the center of the dipole, from center of dipole to where? The center of minus Q. So we have to remember that we have to, whenever we are measured, we have to center of minus Q. Okay, center point. So this distance we can say A. So now we got it from this point to this, one A, and this point to this, another A. So we can say 1 plus A equal to 2A. Let us talk about now the direction of the electric dipole. Always the direction of the dipole from negative to positive. So in this case, which one is negative? So always minus Q to plus Q. Okay, is it clear now? Now we will talk about the important topic is electric dipole moment. Okay, what is electric dipole moment? So already we know that in this case it is defined. Okay, there it is a two charges is there. That two charges, or suppose or electron or proton, then the net charge become 0. Okay, since the charges are equal, here the charges are equal means what is the charge will come. For example, I am taking here 4 charge, okay, the another charge is 4, but opposite sign. So here the charge is same, the name is same magnitude and opposite sign, okay. And since the charges are equal but opposite direction, then the distance between these two charges we can say that 2a. Now it is before we just, that is electric dipole. Now how to calculate the electric dipole moment? It is defined as the product of the charge, okay, product at the charge and separation between the two charges. That means what is the distance here? The distance between them 2a. So we denoted by the electric dipole moment, that means P. P equal to, we know charge. So here we have to take any one of the charge. Either we have to take positive charge or positive or minus Q charge, negative charge. So but any one we should take. So Q into, what is the distance between 2A? Now it is from this formula, what did you understand? The electric dipole moment is defined as the product of charge into distance between them. Clear? Now we will, so we can write also 2 is a numerical, so 2QA. Okay, so 2QA. Now just discuss about the unit. So unit of dipole moment. So we know that, okay, charges means what? Coulomb, and what is that? Area means meter. So we can say that capital C. Okay, you have to remember capital C means Coulomb. This, if you are writing cm means small cm means C means centimeter. Okay, so this is our unit of electric dipole moment. Let us discuss this numerical problem. An electric dipole is formed by plus Q, what is that? Micro, okay, microcoulomb and minus 6 microcoulomb. So that is they are giving two charge value. So this is for just remember that this is suppose plus Q value, okay, this is minus Q value. At what is the distance between these two charges? 4 mm. Find what we have to calculate, find the electric dipole moment. So now just we will with given data Q equal to, what is the Q here? 6 microcoulomb. Okay, that means positive I am taking. 6 into, what is the value of micro? That means power, always it will come 10 power minus 6. Okay, you have to remember this. Micro means we know that centimeter, millimeter, like that. Micrometer 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Even Q equal to minus 6 mu C. So minus 6 into same, just changing the, what is that, plus or minus, okay. So minus 6 into 10 power minus 6. Then distance equal to what? 2A they are giving directly 4 millimeter. Okay, so we are getting only one value, 4 into, what is milli? 10 power minus 3 meter. Suppose they are giving centimeter means 10 power minus 2. Clear? Now P equal to 2QA, is it? So even I told you before only that what is the formula of electric dipole moment? P equal to 2QA. That means here I told you we have to take any one charge, either positive or either negative. So in this case, then when we can write it 2QA, we can write 2AQ. Okay. So why we are writing 2A? Because already we have 2A value directly, they are written from our questions, is it? So that we given data they are giving 4 meter. So now you have to remember 2A equal to, what is the value? 2A equal to 4 mm. Okay. So directly they are giving. Next is just substituting the value. So 2A. 2A means what? Directly it is there. 4 mm is nothing but 4 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So 4 into 10 power, that is 2A value, into, what is the Q value here? Any one of the charge. Okay, so 6 into 10 power minus 6. This we are multiplying with the numerical, so 6 4s are 24, and see the power, the both signs are minus sign, but we have to add numbers. So minus 3 minus 6, it will come 10 power minus 9. And what is the unit of electric dipole? That means coulomb meter. Okay, hope you understood. Thanks for watching.